Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, make a mountain out of a molehill. Yeah, molehill, yeah. A mountain. Let's get a picture of a mountain. Here we are, mountain, yeah. Yeah, to overestimate a problem, really. Putting too much attention onto something. Blowing something up out of proportion. It could be a tiny problem. Oops. It could be a tiny problem. Yet people see it as a big problem. Yeah, the molehill. The molehill here into a mountain. Molehill, mountain. Yeah. So you're making a mountain out of a molehill. Yeah, it's the idiom itself can be used as a sentence. Yeah. They are always making a mountain out of a molehill. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, they always are. Yeah. Yeah. If it happens, then we think they will make a mountain out of this molehill. Yeah, it's a small problem, but we know they'll blow it out of proportion into a mountain. All this news is just making a mountain out of a molehill. That's it. Yeah, it's just blowing things out of proportion. Yeah, the news likes to talk. There's always something else to talk about. Yeah, right. What's the problem? Nothing. And they're talking as though it's a big problem. They are making a mountain out of this molehill. Yeah, they are talking as though it is a big problem. But it's not. Do you think it is just a mountain out of a molehill? Yeah, it could be. Yeah, they are over-talking it. Over-talking it and making it seem bigger than it actually is. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, tiny problem, but made into a big problem. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use make a mountain out of a molehill in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you look for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.